For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Amid ongoing tensions with China, Pakistan too is threatening India. The infamous Lashkar-e-Toiba terror outfit has threatened India's iconic Taj Mahal Palace and Taj Land's End. Mumbai's Taj Hotel received a bomb threat from Pakistan on the intervening night of Monday and Tuesday. The second call was made to Taj Land's End in Mumbai. The caller, who claimed to be a member of Lashkar-e-Toiba, threatened to blow up the Taj Hotel in Mumbai. It is believed that Taj Hotel staff received the call at around 12:30 am on Tuesday. The caller said that the hotel would be attacked by the members of the terror outfit. The threat call has surely gripped panic in Mumbai. Security has been beefed up in and around the hotel after Taj Hotel received the threat call from Pakistan. Even as hotels remain shut in the wake of the lockdown, the Mumbai police has beefed up security around the hotels. All precautionary measures are in place in case of any misadventure from Pakistan's terror outfit. The cyber cell has been roped in to further investigate the call. Mumbai police has sought help from telecom companies in the city to investigate the location of the call. This incident brings back the memories of 26/11 attacks that shook the entire world. Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists carried out a series of coordinated bombings and shooting attacks. As many as 58 people were killed and over 100 people were injured. The threat call from Pakistan comes just a day after the Karachi Stock Exchange was attacked. 3 terrorists and 2 persons were killed in an attack by terrorists on Karachi Stock Exchange. The Stock Exchange building came under attack on Monday morning as 4 terror suspects stormed into the building on Karachi's 2 Chundrigarh Road. Several people, including police officers, sustained grievous injuries. Subsequently, Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mohammad Qureshi slammed New Delhi on Monday evening for involvement in Karachi Stock Exchange. New Delhi slammed Islamabad, saying India had absolutely no hesitation in condemning terrorism anywhere in the world. External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Anurag Srivastava hit back at Pakistan for holding New Delhi responsible for the attack in Karachi.
India rejects the absurd comments of Foreign Minister of Pakistan on terrorist attack in Karachi. Pakistan cannot shift the blame on India for its domestic problems. Foreign Minister Qureshi may wish to reflect on this, as also his own government's position, including his Prime Minister's description of the global terrorist as a martyr.
Srivastava also reminded Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan described a global terrorist as a martyr, a reference to Khan calling Osama bin Laden a shaheed. New Delhi also said Islamabad cannot shift blame on India for Pakistan's domestic problems. After the Karachi attack, Qureshi alleged that the strike was initiated by sleeper cells in India. However, according to reports, the attack in Karachi was carried out by Baloch armed groups who claimed that Balochistan province was exploited by Pakistan. However, Pakistan broadcaster Radio Pakistan ran a report accusing New Delhi of being responsible for the attack.